Why hello there. It is I, a reject of a YouTuber. Okay, the first two vacuum engines I built were beam engines, and they were pretty garbage. And the second one was more successful than the first, because the first was a bit big, but it barely had any power. The second one was smaller, but it had a little more power. This, on the other hand, is not a beam engine. It's a nice change. It's a horizontal steam engine. And I assembled it last night. I didn't know if it's going to work or not. And it works. It's very like, you can see the timing is horrible, but it admits the pressure at the perfect time. I just need a little bit more momentum just to get it to move smoothly. Now, I did attempt to put on a regulator. It didn't work because half the air went out the sides. But without further ado, let's get this thing started. Now, it's not the best, but it is a improvement of what I have built in the past. It's so much faster. Well, if that did sound right, sorry, I'm actually have plants and stuff, and yeah, I am gonna try the lubricating part, because for the handful of people that actually watch that reject of a video, I found out water is a pretty good lubricant for Lego. So what I'm going to do is like make it like a displacement lubricator, except it's not a displacement lubricator, it's just a drip lubricator that drips in the air intake and it forces it onto the steam chest as well as the actual piston. All these linkages and stuff, that's a different story. I'll figure something on that out. But yeah, I am going to try to make this double acting. The only problem is that it's not going to be good, because half the air goes out the piston rod. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. And I most likely wasted your time, and you can't have that time back. And bye.